Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can customize your keyboard theme with your own picture. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Right now just scroll down and enter the general management, click on the language and input, click on the on-screen keyboard, and right now we have to pick up the keyboard that we are using. So in my case it is the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Click on the themes, and right now just go for the custom. Click start. Here we can add the image. I think that I'm going to pick up this one. So that's how it is going to look. And there's also the transparency of this picture and the background of our theme. I think that it looks cool at this one. Click done. And here we can also add some symbols to our keyboard. As you can see, that's how our new keyboard theme has changed. So click here save, tap on it, and here we get the preview how our theme has changed. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.